Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the radio in a Volvo XC90. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including trim removal tools, a Torx T25 screwdriver, and a new wiring harness. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents electrical shorts and protects you while working. Also, lay down a soft cloth to protect your dashboard from any accidental scratches. Now, let's remove the old radio. Begin by carefully prying off the surrounding trim panels. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid damaging the dashboard. Once the trim is off, you will see 4 Torx T25 screws holding the radio in place. Unscrew these, then gently pull the unit forward. Disconnect all the electrical connectors and the antenna cable from the back of the old radio. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new radio. First, connect the new wiring harness adapter to your new radio and then to the vehicle's existing connectors. Ensure all connections are snug and correct. Don't forget to plug in the antenna cable securely. Carefully slide the new radio into the dashboard opening. Once aligned, secure it firmly using the 4 Torx T25 screws you removed earlier. Almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before reassembling everything, turn on your car and thoroughly test the new radio. Check all audio sources, adjust the volume, and verify any new features like Bluetooth or navigation are working correctly. Once you confirm everything is functional, carefully snap all the trim panels back into their original positions. Enjoy your upgraded audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.